Julia here for Complete Probe Solutions. I'm here to talk about the Apex retrofit for Electroglass 4000 series automatic wafer probers. Apex will make your machine like new again with modern hardware and extremely flexible icon-based software for a fraction of the cost of a new prober. Apex is based on the Windows 10 platform and security updates are readily available. IT departments might be less concerned about your probers being on the network. Did I mention Apex is fully remote controllable? Just load a cassette and do everything else remotely. Anywhere an internet connection is available. Advanced hardware takes the prober control module from a multi-board, untidy and hard to troubleshoot tangle to a sleek single module slice of perfection. Is it easier to troubleshoot? You bet. Like to learn more? Come by booth 206 at Southwest Test Workshop and talk to Sancho, Kevin or Mike. Feel free to contact us via our website or give us a call at 408-755-5567. With a little advance notice, we can do an online demo anytime. Thanks, guys. I appreciate your time.